Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you how I made some fall themed magnets out of air dried clay. To make my magnets, I sketched out a bunch of different fall figures. I wanted to do an apple caramel lollipop, a pumpkin, a fall coffee cup, and then like a little pumpkin spice latte, and the can on the side is going to be for a pumpkin pie. Roll out your clay, and I rolled this out to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm going to start off by tracing out the silhouette of the coffee cup. With a thinner piece of clay, I'm going to trace out the lid of the coffee cup and then also the little pumpkin. I'm adding water on the coffee cup to make it sticky, and then I'm going to score where the lid is and attach the two pieces together. Now I'm going to add in the little pumpkin, and I'm going to blend everything out with some water. This looks good, so I'm going to put this aside and let it dry and move on to tracing out my pumpkin. Make sure to blend out your clay with some water, and I'm going to move on and do the little pumpkin spice latte coffee cup. For this one, I'm going to trace out the silhouette of the pumpkin coffee cup and also trace out the little pumpkin ribs. Now I'm going to trace out the whipped cream. I added some water to keep my clay sticky, and then I'm going to attach the whipped cream by scoring the clay, and you could also use some slip if you need to. For this one, I'm going to trace out the silhouette of the apple caramel lollipop. And once again, with a thin piece of clay, I'm going to trace out the caramel. For this last magnet, I'm going to make a pumpkin pie, so I'm using a small can to help me trace out a circle. I'm smoothing this out with some water. And then I grab some more clay and I'm rolling out a thin coil. Now I'm slightly going to flatten out the clay, and then I'm going to attach this clay around the circle, and this is going to be the crust on the pie. And I'm making sure to really blend these two pieces into each other so that everything looks seamless. I'm rolling out another small coil of clay, and I'm going to shape it into a swirl, and it's going to look like the whipped cream on top of the pie.
"12 seconds later."
Okay guys, so here are all of the magnets now that they're dry, and I do not need to sand any of these, so I'm just gonna paint. I'm going to seal all of these using Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Once the sealer has dried, you can attach the magnets onto your figures. These magnets came with like these little sticky things to attach them, but you could also just use hot glue. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!